Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Contour's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. Yes, we have received an amazing package. Very excited. I am super excited to show you what I got. But before we do anything, let's find out who were the winners of the giveaway in the previous video. So the requirement in the video was the first two people to comment with the right answers, unedited, will be the winners. And so I'm scrolling all the way down to the bottom. I already know the winners, but I'm telling you that's what I did. So the very first two people that commented right were... So the first person that commented right was Oluwatimirifiri. Olu, congratulations. Yes, and amazingly, she and Kirby Abebiojebi, who is also the other winner, they both come from Maryland. So shout out to Maryland people. Congrats, ladies. Expect your packages soon. Okay, so let's go back into today's video. So I received this from YouTube this afternoon. Yes. Ta-da! I know most of you have seen a lot of unboxing videos. You know what is in here, but I am super excited. I have not opened it. It is still all sealed up, and we are going to find out together what is in here. All right, let's see what is in here. Okay, we'll take a look at this first. I know you might have heard other people read it so many times, but to me, it's my very first time receiving this, and I am excited to have it. So here it goes. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Yes, all of you. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. Do I? What you've accomplished can be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know you don't do this for the rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations. Sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO, YouTube. Thank you, Susan. And then there's this little card that says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. So here we are. Thankful to God for the grace He's given me to be able to do what I'm doing. I am super thankful to my family, most especially my husband and my children who live with me on the daily, who have to go through all these, creating videos is not easy, especially when they are super hungry and I want to finish with the video before we sit down and eat. Yes, that is very challenging. So I thank them. My husband, who is right now behind the camera, thank you, honey, for your love and support. I am super thankful to my daughter, Ivana. She knows more about this play button than I could ever know. Like, she was so super excited when this came through the mail today. And I guess it might not be anything, but her mom has achieved something for sure. I persevered. It's not easy to prove yourself to people around you. A lot of people in the beginning think you are crazy doing what you're doing, but when you love something, when you're passionate about something, your passion can show, can tell, and if you keep pushing hard enough, I think you prove yourself and you earn yourself the respect and the support of the people around you. So thank you. I'd like to say thank you to my fellow YouTubers for all the support. Onyawa, thank you so much for your support. I am super thankful to have a sister and a friend in you. That is Nanabe's Kitchen. I thank all my fellow YouTubers whom in one way or the other I have communicated with or I have been in touch with. We are all an inspiration to each other, and I hope we keep supporting each other. To my amazing subscribers, whom I choose to call now my KK family, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I would never be where I am doing this if I hadn't gained the love and support from you. So I am thankful to you for your support, and I hope that you continue to support me, and I hope our family continues to grow. Just like they said, the gold play button will seem like something that is not achievable. I never dreamt of achieving this. And with that, I want to say a big thank you to Nadine. She's the first person that ever mentioned this play button to me. She's my colleague at my previous job. She said, I really think you are going to get one of those play buttons. I said, what is that? I had no idea what it was. She explained to me, and I thought that was very far-fetched. I never expected to get there anytime soon, and that was way less than a year ago. So Nadine, thank you for believing in me more than I even believed in myself. Thank you all. Now let's find a place for this. And yes, I'm not ashamed to say, way before, ever since I knew I was that close and this was coming, I decided, of course, that this is going to have its place right here. So here we go. My play button right there, where it's going to sit and be part of my home. Thank you once more. Please give this video a thumbs up, share my other videos, and until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.